In front of me is HUWAEI Matepad 10.4 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. Firstly, go into Devices Settings, scroll down and tap on Biometrics and Password. Now click on Lock Screen Password over here and choose Change Unlock Password. Now select the best login method for you by clicking on the chosen one and enter it. Following that, you need to repeat it and select Done at the bottom right corner. Now wait a bit. And when I go back, turn off my screen and then turn it back on. As you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!